We are pleased to show you 2012 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, XM satellite radio, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.